you struggling to find the perfect style inspirations? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pinterest app to get endless style ideas. Even if you're not a fashion designer, even if you're not looking for style inspiration and ideas, there are numerous things you can do with your Pinterest app. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what a Pinterest app is, how does it look like, how does it work, how can you get it, is it free or not? Yes, it is free. How to create an account on a Pinterest app and so on like that. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to watch this video to the end. Please, it's really important. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to have the Pinterest app on your phone, and here is the icon, this place that I'm pointing arrow. That is where that is what a Pinterest icon looks like. Okay, you are going to download the app. If you do not have the app, you go to your Play Store or iOS store on iPhone. You type Pinterest app, and you're going to download it. Okay, so I already have this, so let's just get into why we're here. Okay, so now, and another thing you need is strong internet connection, because Pinterest is a kind of app that is big, it's very, very big on internet. Okay, you need a strong internet connection. So now let's assume you already have your app, you've registered, sorry. So let's assume you already have your app and all that. You're going to click on it, and here's what the interface looks like. So you can see bag, nails, ideas, jewelry, baby girl, this is an advert for, I think, noodles or something, earrings, jackets, to see a whole lot of things that's going to interest you depending on your interest, because when you download the app, it's going to ask you a few questions and you're going to select some interest, and this is what the app is going to be bringing for you depending on what you selected or what you're interested in. So these 5 icons that we have here, so the home bar, of course, this is the home. Okay, this is the search button if you want to search for something. This plus sign is if you want to upload something. If you already have an account, you want to post something on your Pinterest app, Pinterest account rather. So, and this is the message for messages and notification. As you can see, people that saved my pin, people that like my page, people that sent, you're going to see a lot of things, as you can see. Now this other one is directly to your page or to your account. If you click on this youtube.com blah blah blah, it's going to take you to my YouTube account. This is going to take you to my Instagram. There's a way you can do that. You can add your Instagram and your YouTube link to your Pinterest, so whatever you post on your Instagram is going to come directly to your Pinterest accounts. And of course, because most time I post my YouTube videos on Pinterest, just for wider audience and people to reach out. Even if you're not on YouTube, you're going to see you can always access my videos from here. Okay, so that is that about. So let's just get into the business. So let's take, for example, you want to search for something. Let's start with a random search. Let's say, for example, you want to go for an event and you're confused on what to wear. You can simply come here and click on the search button and type depending on what you want. So let's say, for example, you're going for a birthday party or maybe a dinner. Okay, let's say you have a dinner and you want to wear a red dress or a black dress. You can simply come to the search icon here. Okay, then you are going to click on this search bar, then you're going to type whatever you want. Okay, as you can see, these are the things that I've searched for: bags. Because recently, about a few days ago, I was looking for a bag idea and I just come here. So let's say, for example, you want to go for a dinner and you needed a red dress idea. If you're a fashion designer or you want to send your design to a fashion designer, so let's just type red dress for dinner. It depends on what you're trying to achieve. As you can see, once you type red dress for dinner, so here you're going to see different ideas. Okay, you want a red dress but you don't know how exactly it should look like. So we have a mini dress idea, we have a red flare, we have a fancy, we have a red strapless. So let's say, for example, you want to do the red strapless dinner dress. Okay, so it's going to take you here. Okay, it's going to bring different ideas. So strapless are dresses. Strapless means no sleeve or a tiny strap, a rope that goes around your body or your shoulder and so like that. So as you can see, it's going to bring you different ideas of dresses. So let's say, for example, you want the one that is red flare dinner dress. So that means you want something that has flare. It's going to give you different ideas. Okay, let's say you want to wear a black dress for your birthday shoot. Black dress for birthday, or better still, let's do it this way: birthday dress ideas. Or yes, for women, for kids. Okay, let's say for your baby girl, for a girl, you can even add the age to be more precise. As you can see, this is birthday dress. So as you can see, this is birthday dress idea for 4 years girl, 1 year baby girl, and so on like that. So let's just say
for a 4 years old girl. Okay, so you need to be precise. As you can see, I see pictures of baby girl within that 4 years. You're going to see pictures, you're going to see videos, and so on like that. So that is that about that. You can now pick. And one thing about Pinterest is whatever you click on, it is what is going to be bringing. So let's say you want your baby girl to dress in something like this. Even if you do not like this, you're going to see something similar to this silhouette that you're seeing here. So that is what it's going to be bringing. Same thing applies to any other type of dress or any other type of thing. So now the main gist, the main idea of this tutorial is for fashion designers or someone that wants to make a dress to see the full details of the dress. Now let's say for example a client sends you a dress, or you want to make a dress and you're confused about how the down part looks like, how the back looks like. Maybe the person just sent you the front and so on like that. So Pinterest has made it more easier, so you can simply use your picture to look for the style on Pinterest. Yes, instead of you having a headache on how you're going to look for a particular style on Pinterest, it is very much easier. As long as you have the picture, you can always search for the dress or the style with the picture you have. Yes, so now let's get to it. Either take the pictures directly or you just pick from your gallery. So you come to this search bar, and this search for ideas, this bar here, this search icon here. So this search bar here, you're going to see search for ideas. So you're going to see this sign of a camera. Click on this camera sign. So here we have the camera sign here. If it's going to be a front, you want to take a picture of what you're looking for. So let's take, for example, we want to search for sunshades like this one that I have here. You click on the camera sign and it's going to give you ideas. It's going to bring ideas for you. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to give you something similar. You're going to have something similar. As you can see, something similar. So let's use another example. Let's see, for example, another example. Okay, I'm going to be taking a picture of this tripod. Okay, so it's going to be something similar. It's just to let you know that anything you want at all, anything you want to look for, as you can see, it's going to bring it. So let's say for example the picture of what you're trying to find idea on is in front of you. You can easily take the picture and you're going to see ideas. It's going to give you ideas. All right, so that is that about taking pictures directly. Okay, so let's go back. So now let's say we want to pick for the gallery. So now we want to pick for the gallery. You come to this circle here, you come to this point, and it's going to take you to your photo. You look for a picture that you want to look for. So let's say, okay, someone sent me this style, and I click on it this way. So now, as you can see, you might not see the picture of the dress immediately. You just have to keep searching. And as you can see, it's going to bring something similar. The color of the dress, the combination, the clutch, gilly designs, and every details on the dress is going to bring something similar. In case you see this style and you want to sew something similar, or you're having a change of mind, you want to sew something different, it's definitely going to bring you to and you're going to see different styles, different designs. As you can see, the M line of this particular one is almost like the same thing with the previous one. So that is how it's going to look like. But if you are keen on looking for this particular style, you just keep clicking on it again. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's look for another style. So I already have this dress on my phone. Let's just click on it. You hold on for a while and it's going to bring a dress for you or something similar. Okay, so something similar, as you can see, it's going to bring something similar. Although sometimes it might not bring exactly what you needed at first. You just have to keep looking, except if you have the person's name, the person that posted the picture, or the designer's page or handle. Okay, it's going to definitely give you something similar. Okay, so now let's look for another picture. Okay, I have this picture, and you can also search with the feature of the dress. Okay, so now we have the dress here. Okay, so now we have the picture here, and you see the search image down here, this search bar, this search icon that has a star. Once you click on it, it will bring more ideas, it will bring more pictures that looks exactly like this, or maybe the picture of the dress, more picture of the back. As you can see, this is here is a clearer picture. I think here is a clearer picture of the dress. So this will save you from what I ordered first and what I got. The person will not tell you that there's something on the back and you tell them it's not, there's nothing there, you keep arguing and so on like that. So, and if you look closely, I think there's a video of the dress as well. Please, here is a video. So that's it, except if the person does not post the video of the dress online, you will not see the video. But if you post every features, either the front, the sleeve, the back, whatever they post on the picture of the dress, you are going to see. And that's how you're going to go about for whatever you're searching for. So let's take, for example, you want to search for Aso-ebi style, you can simply search. If you have a particular color in mind, you can simply search for the color. If you have a particular design, you can simply search for the design. Okay, so this is, so here we are. You see white, you see red. And one thing about Pinterest is that whatever you click on is what is going to be bringing for you. Whatever you keep looking on your app is what is going to be bringing for you. So let's check for another one. So as you can see, this is a clearer picture of your style. So, and that is it. That is how you keep searching, keep looking, and you need to be mindful of what to type. If you have to type something, so Aso-ebi style now, if you are being specific, it make it easier. So let's say, okay, can you imagine what we have here? Aso-ebi styles for plus size woman. So you are being specific that you want to make a style for a plus size woman. Some people, instead of you coming online and telling people, please, so help me with this, I want to sew for a plus size woman, I don't have a style idea. Please, this video is for you. So guys, now as you can see, we have videos, we have pictures of plus size women rocking Aso-ebi gorgeously, as you can see. So you can imagine what is on food here. So here is it. So let's click on this first one. So as you can see, there's a video. You can easily see what the person is wearing. Let's take for example this particular one. You see the bidding details. If you are a bidder, you see the bidding details. You know, you can zoom in, zoom out, you know, just play around with it. And once you click on a green dress, it's definitely going to be giving you green dress ideas. It is or something similar to that style. So because this has a bidding, the details of the bidding will also make you have other kind of ideas. Do you understand me? Yes. So that is how it is. Okay, so if it is a black dress, if it's an Ankara dress, you keep clicking on it. Okay, so once you click on the Ankara, it will bring Ankara dresses idea for you. It is only Ankara that you'll be seeing. Do you understand me? If it is lace, you keep seeing lace. If it is brocade, you keep seeing brocade. So the only reason why you can see a brocade and an Ankara design side by side is because maybe they have one or two things in common. Yes, so let's take for example this particular Ankara dress that I clicked on. It has a beading on it. It is a cup corset. So definitely maybe when uploading other pictures, they had included one or two things in the tag. You can tag corset dress, you can tag beading, something that has to do with that particular one. So guys, I hope with this video you'll be able to solve. So that is how you're going to go about with your styles. Although there are some styles that you will look for on Pinterest that you will not see, but there's other way you can get the pictures. If you want to know about that, let me know. It is also on your phone. Very simple, easy, very very easy. So now let's assume that this is the picture that you want to this is the style you want to recreate. You are going to download the picture. You can either screenshot or you download. So now you want to download this three dots line. So this one is like, if you want to like the picture, if you want to comment on the picture, you're going to add your comment here. If you want to share, you're going to click on it and share to wherever you want to share it to. But if you want to download, you're going to click on these three dots. As you can see, copy link, download image, add to catalog, add to collage, hide pin, report pin, and so on like that. So you click on download image and it's going to download this way. So after downloading, you can still share. All right, these are the places you can share to, and so that's it about that. So once you saved, you are good to go. And if it is video, you can simply screen record the video. Even if you are looking for a tutorial, you can easily search it. We want to look for bishop collar tutorial. It's definitely going to bring it. As you can see, tutorials. These are tutorials on bishop collar, bishop collar, bishop collar, bishop collar, standing collar, and there's possibility for you to see another type of collar design, as you can see.
Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. If yes, please click on the like button, share this video so that we can reach as many people as possible, and you might even be saving a sister or a brother with this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So till we meet again in my next video, bye bye and take care of yourself.